The Cubes and Rules module in Model Maker provides a complete overview of your TM1 cube structure. It allows you to create, manage, and optimize cubes, enabling seamless development and administration. Creating new cubes. The new cube function offers several creation options. The standard cube option allows you to name your cube, such as test, and either copy an existing structure or customize its dimensions. Once created, the cube appears in your list and is ready for configuration. Other cube creation options include Self-Security Cube. Assign security settings to a specific cube. You can define which dimensions should be secured and decide whether to overwrite existing security settings. Picklist Cube creates a structured selection list, improving user input control for more accurate data entry. Element Security Cube enables security permissions at the dimension level, restricting access as needed. Real Assignment Rule Cube generates a drill-through cube, allowing deeper data analysis and connections between datasets. Managing Cubes and Rules. After creating a cube, you can view critical information, including the last update timestamps for schema and data, dimension structures, and linked views. You can navigate to these related dimensions or views for further modifications. The module allows for rule creation and management within cubes. You can save rules and ensure syntax correctness. Process feeders separately without executing full turbo integrator processes. Reprocess feeders directly within Model Maker to apply changes efficiently. Each cube includes an unload function, temporarily removing it from TM1. This is useful for replacing cube files in the data folder before reloading them into TM1. You can also reorder dimensions for optimization or delete a cube entirely. Rule development with blocks. Model Maker introduces a structured approach to rule development by segmenting rule files into blocks. The Add New Rule Block function allows you to organize rules into logical sections. Each block can be assigned a title and linked to specific views or feeder sections, making rule management more intuitive. Rules can be formatted and structured using indenting and outdenting for better readability, commenting to annotate sections for clarity, collapsing or expanding blocks to focus on specific parts, toggling the top section or full screen mode for a larger workspace, IntelliSense for rule development. The IntelliSense capabilities in Model Maker simplify rule writing by offering automated suggestions. Functions like from cube and from div help you select dimensions and elements efficiently, reducing the chance of syntax errors. If no rule exists, you must first create a rule block, such as salary calculation, which can be designated as a feeder block. Once a rule block is added, from cube IntelliSense helps you select dimensions and elements. For example, when calculating total salary, the system multiplies FTE by base salary for each employee. By using structured rule blocks, calculations remain accurate and consistent across the TM1 model. Advanced IntelliSense features. For more advanced rule development, Model Maker provides a from DB IntelliSense function, which allows direct database queries inside rules. You can select the cube and dimension you want to pull data from. Define parameters as either specific elements or shared references. Use shared dimensions, where the function automatically selects elements but allows for manual adjustments. To change a selection, simply click Edit, browse available elements, and assign a different default selection. Once inserted, the DB function integrates seamlessly into your rule structure. Manual coding assistance. If you prefer manual rule writing, Model Maker's IntelliSense provides real-time syntax suggestions. By pressing Ctrl+space, Model Maker will suggest available cubes within your TM1 model, recommend dimensions and their elements, display available functions based on context. This feature ensures faster, more accurate rule development while reducing the risk of errors. By combining structured rule blocks, IntelliSense, and automation, Model Maker streamlines the creation and management of TM1 rules, making rule development more efficient, intuitive, and error-free.